Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is interior designer Gizem Sevilmiş. Today I'm in Skyland residences. These residences are in Istanbul, and there is interesting fact about this residence. We are actually in residence, but this is a duplex. So there is 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs. There is nice kitchen and some dining room and a living room. Now we did the interior design of this project according to our customers' willings, and I am looking forward to share with you all the details. Follow me. So I'm now in the entrance. Before starting, I would like to explain you this is a 2-floor apartment and it's totally 360 square meters approximately. Once I'm telling you the rooms, I will be putting here in the corner the map, the plan of the apartment and the square meters for you to give some idea about the size of the space. Let's start from the entrance. The entrance area is totally big area, and we have an entrance here, some entrance cabinet on this side. We are not gonna touch them. Actually, our customers' idea was to paint all of them to a lighter color, which is possible. We did before, and I will share with you, if we do the installation of this apartment, all the details how to do that. For this area, we wanted to do some console and some mirror. Here are the options I'm putting. We did for our customer. Please comment me below which one would you choose if you are living in this house. And here I have a staircase which is going to the upstairs. Actually, I wanted to do small change which will make a great impact over the project. I was thinking to eliminate all the steps, make a hole under them, add a LED, and carry the cables inside of this lemon beam and make a light under the staircase, which will give it a little bit like nice feeling in the interior. Once I'm in the entrance, I'm just seeing directly the living room. What is expected from me in this project is a very simple, very calm interior. So everything is in the same color, some kind of beige. And for us, important the textures of the textiles, marble, and putting all of them together to feel them. That's why first thing that we were considering is to eliminate all the parquet flooring, which is very dark, and make bigger plank, lighter oak parquet. And the second thing I would like to tell you is that there is this kind of outdoor window here. It's looking a little bit rough, so I replaced it with, I actually did here for 2 options. I'm putting also here on the side. I designed here another kind of glass door which looks more elegant. And actually now we are in the living room, which is a sitting area. Behind me on the wall there is a TV unit which is from Travertine, and the down part also Travertine, just brushed very roughly. It's not actually used as a furniture, but it's just a little bit of decoration. And in the middle we have a big seat, big couch, which you can use the both sides. You can sit in this side or this side. So it's just a big area with just 2 furnitures, very calm. And the big thing that we are planning to do here is we are doing some kind of Italian painting in the ceiling and the walls, so it will be all in unique color and it's a little bit of texture. Now I'm passing here in this room. Actually, it's a continuous of the living room. We are going to use this room as a dining room and the cinema room. So this side, nearby the window, we have a very nice Calacatta gold marble dining room and dining table and suite chairs. We have a 7 meters of height here, which is incredible. And we have 3 pendants, which are in geometrical form. It's very nice and very strong, and nothing else. Actually, I made a design for the ceiling and the walls a little bit different. I'm putting also here, but later we eliminated all of them and keep more simple. Here we have a kind of puzzle couch that you can just manage it in the way that you like. And here in the this wall there will be some projection. It will be only used for cinema. And here I have some kind of cabinet which is like for bar, for doing coffee, tea. It's just a corner to have like some utility here. And here you can see there is upstairs another window, which is the actually master bedroom window. So it's a little bit privacy. So I was planning to change this one and this one is the same way, and put inside also some kind of curtain to avoid like somebody looking here to see something. And another big thing we were planning, as we are doing so much simple interior, I wanted to just like bring the ceiling a little bit down and eliminate this view of these tubes and turn them to put them in the ceiling in a more proper way. It was the plan. So in this floor, as you see that we have an entrance, living room and cinema room, which is also dining room, and we have also kitchen, general bathroom, and the guest room with its own bathroom. So let's see them. Here I have a small corridor, and here is the kitchen. Actually in the kitchen we will do very small changes. We have this area empty. We will have some table and some pendant lightings, some chairs here, nothing else. The only thing that my customer was disturbed about was the color of these units, which is dark oak. So I suggested her to paint them in its place. We will paint it and it will be like a little bit textury still, but in the same color of the existing cabinet doors. There is nothing that here we will do. Now I will take you to the guest room. Here we have this joker room, which has its own bathroom. And here in this project, actually, we are planning to change all the bathrooms. We will eliminate all the tiles and everything and cover them with micro cement, all the ceiling, wall and the flooring. So it will look like a unique piece. And all the bathroom accessories we are gonna convert to the black. And this is the only plan, and which is a very big job actually. It looks very simple, but it's a little bit complicated, requires a lot of job. In this room, actually we have just big double bed, just some headboard design, and we will have here some glass doored wardrobe and some preparation, some makeup table maybe here. And that's all. And still, again, we are gonna change the flooring to lighter and wider planks. And in the ceilings, we are always using some magnetic lights, so we can just create these channels and add inside whichever kind of lighting we want. Let's have a quick look to the bathroom, which is inside of the guest room. So all of these we are eliminating. Wallpapers will be eliminated, and the shower area, also the tiles, everything will be eliminated, and it will be all covered with micro cement. And we will just change these with the color of black frame instead of silver. And we made another design for this area. It's just that. And I will tell you about other bathroom, which is the guest bathroom, like general bathroom. Here again we are eliminating the wallpaper. We did a design for this area. Just we added later a small wood frame, some plank behind the toilet to give it like more nice sensations, because it's a guest bathroom which is gonna be used the most. Now I'm taking you to upstairs to show you all the details of the bedrooms. Let's go. So upstairs we have some general area. I believe it's a little bit loose of a space, but they organized like that. So now you see that we have 4 doors. This one is the general bathroom of this floor. But actually this is going to be used for the boys, because there is 2 boys and 1 girl. And one girl has its own bathroom inside of her room. So this bathroom will be used by only the boys. Also, master bedroom has its own bathroom inside. Let's have a quick look to this bathroom. In this bathroom, as you see that there is a bigger space, so we will do two sinks, and we do another kind of design. As you see, we will use also micro cement in all walls and the floor. And while we are doing this much changes, we are also eliminating these frames. We are gonna order the black framed ones, and this kind of shower system, we will be doing the ones, we will be changing them to be inserted inside of the wall. And once we are doing this kind of changes, we are creating niches for the shower tools. So we will do also some wall work here. And I'm also putting the renders on the side so you can have a better idea about what we're gonna do. Once we get out from the boys' bathroom, before going to the girls' room, I would like to take you to the boys' bedroom. As you see, boys' bedroom is a little bit small area for two boys. Actually, the plan was in the beginning to put some wardrobe here, which is very small for two people. And once you put the two beds, then you don't have any space. So what we did, in order to have bigger wardrobe and more space in the middle, we decided to do some bunk beds. So it will be like 2 floors of bed, which is making me to gain area about here. I will have L-shaped wardrobe. So I will be using on this side, also I will be using on the other side, and I will have some better corridor here, which is allowing me to make some desk for the guys to work better. And then they have also their own TV, and they can also use their beds as some kind of couch, which is more comfortable for them to play. And that's all in this room. So let's go to the girl room. Once I enter to the girl room, there is only one girl. There is a small corridor, as you see, and in this corridor actually I wanted to place a big mirror here, very simple, with hidden lighting behind, to have this area feel bigger space and also have some like long mirror. Here we have the cabinet, which is glass door, which is exactly in all rooms, in all types. So they like the unique things in the house, like everything looks like each other. Only this room is a little bit interesting than the other. Of course, I was adding my ideas about the designs to have some little bit of taste. So here we designed some half round, actually quarter round, behind the bed, and we have some hanging clouds. And in this quarter circle, we are applying some kind of marble-like wallpaper I'm gonna put here in the corner. Actually, in the project, our customer didn't like it so much, but once she came to Istanbul and saw the real wallpaper and touched it, she felt amazed. So we are gonna choose it here. We have a small desk area, which is continuing under the TV here. And that she will use it as a makeup desk and also a desk area. Very simple. Let's go to see her bathroom. Her bathroom is also simple. We will do exactly the same things that we are planning to do in the other bathrooms. This area will change and all the tiles and wallpapers will change and everything turn to micro cement. Let's go to the master bedroom. So once we enter to the master bedroom, we have a big L-shaped wardrobe here, which is allowing me to create some kind of dressing, half open, half closed dressing room here. It's again same kind of wardrobe, but bigger. Do you remember we were downstairs and looking to here? This is where we are standing there. We have again this kind of outdoor window, unfortunately. So I was planning to do exactly the same door here, but the fixed one, which cannot be opened. Because we already have windows, we don't need anything, any weather circulation here, air circulation here. It's quite also dangerous also. And here we will have a kind of curtain. And in this big wall, I have a nice headboard, CNC headboard, with pendant lighting, some nice cozy side tables. And in this corner, since I have very nice view, I have some armchair and a desk, small table, side table, sorry. And here in this small area, I will have a makeup desk. That's just simple as in all rooms. Let's go to see the bathroom. We have here very simple sink area which has a bigger sink, and we are changing all the design here. And here in this area, actually our customer wanted here in this area, our customer wanted to be a little bit different. So we are planning to do a kind of interesting marble here, just on this wall, to have a little bit difference in the bathrooms, to show it that it's a master bathroom. So while doing these changes, we are always adding kind of niches in the walls for our customer to use better, to put her tools of the bathroom. Before finishing, I would like to give a little bit details about these residences. These residences are very new. Actually, the location is very nice. It's directly in the middle of Istanbul, and it's very close to the second bridge. So it's so nice location, so much valuable location, I can say. And once you're direct inside of the center, but you have also a very nice view of a nature. So it's very, I think, a nice sensation to have the boat, which are already so much close to everywhere, and you have this nature right next to you. That's why I like these residences. So I wanted to tell you a little bit also information about where exactly we are and how is the location of this area. And it's very high buildings, by the way. It's one of the highest. And some blocks are used as offices, and some blocks are used as residences, which are separate. And down you have some dining hall, some food court. You have some food court down, and you have also right next to you very nice shopping center called Home Design Center, where you can find a lot of home things, accessories, curtains, textiles, and etc. Also, we have a lot of informative videos about how to select textiles. I'm putting the link here. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this house, if you like this concept, please press like and subscribe to our channels for our following videos. The design is totally belonging to the customers. You are our inspiration, and the design is starting from you. So if you want to have the same experience with us, you just need to have some ideas about which kind of environment you would like to live, and leave the rest for us. We will design the best for you. If you want to have the same experience with us, here in the description our details.